Hey everybody, Heath Robertson with VDC Specialist here, and I'm excited to be at our headquarters in Lawrence, Kansas to announce that after 3 years in our current office, we are once again doubling our square footage to continue our growth, ensuring we can keep up with the continually increasing demand we see for our services to help some of the nation's largest electrical contractors tackle their most complex projects. Now let's step inside the office to see the excitement. Where is everybody? Tristan! 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 Tristan!
Where is Tristan? Tristan!
Tristan! Tristan! Tristan!
Yeah, I can get you Trimble by the end of the day.
Tristan!
Yeah, one second.
Tristan!
Why are you yelling from down there?
You're supposed to be in the new office!
The Wichita office? I thought that didn't open for a month.
Tristan, we haven't announced the Wichita office yet. I'm talking about the new Lawrence office.
Oh yeah, we ran out of space like 6 desks ago. Pack it up, guys. We're heading across the parking lot.
Why don't we just connect the buildings at this point?